Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Blessed brand. This is their plant protein, 23 grams of protein per serving. It's all natural plant-based protein. It's gluten-free and it is vegan product, non-GMO, and they also say dairy-free. So that's why they call it chocolate milk. They spell the milk differently because it doesn't have any dairy in it. Now this has all natural ingredients in here. We can go right here and if the camera's going to pick it up, you can see what's in there. To slightly sweeten it, they do use some stevia. It's almost the second to third from the last ingredient. But there's all the health information on. You can see it's really high in phosphorus, magnesium, copper, sodium is low, and it's got 1 gram of fiber. Total carbohydrates is 8, and it's only 150 calories, and total fat's 4 grams for 1 scoop. And there's allergen information on here. This is a really nice product. What I like to use it with is a meal replacement, and I use it with, sometimes I'll put peanut butter and a little yogurt in there. I just like to do that to increase the health benefits of it. But we're going to show what I use this and how I drink this product. It's really good if you're trying to increase your protein intake and have just natural product for doing that with all plant protein, and it's really low in carbs also, so that's really beneficial. Now when you get the product, it had a safety seal on the outside and it has a safety seal also on the top so that you know that it is totally fresh. Let's remove this and let's take a look at what the powder looks like so you have an idea. And you can see right there, there is the powder itself. Now it's dropped down because that weight is not based on volume, so it's naturally going to drop down to there. But there should be a scoop inside there. And there's what it looks like with the scoop. I wish you could smell this because you smell delicious chocolate. So what I like to do is I like to mix the Blessed plant protein powder with about a tablespoon of peanut butter. I have about 10 ounces of water in there. I'm going to add the powder, a nice level scoop in there, just like that. Then I add the peanut butter, then I blend it up. So here I just blended up some delicious Blessed plant-based protein powder. This is their chocolate milk flavor. And here it is all ready to drink, all blended up. Let me taste it. Absolutely delicious. And you could add other things to it. Also you can add yogurt or peanut butter like I showed. Very delicious. Very balanced. What do I think about this Blessed brand plant protein? This is a big container, good value, absolutely delicious, and you're going to get some plant-based protein and no bad ingredients in here. It's really good for you and delicious tasting. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.